Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fun to Learn. Today we will discuss on late Stone Age, that is 10,000 BC to 6,000 BC. In this video we will learn about how the people live in settled life with the use of a small stone. So let's start. See, this period is also called Mesolithic period or the Microlithic periods. In this period we will see that small stone are used for making a tools. This period is also called a period of observation. Why it is called a period of observation? Because in this because human beings are observe their surrounding that are changed day by day. They notice that warm change in climate, rainfall increasing, that are people noticed. So it is called period of observation. Change in flora and fauna. Here means change in animals and the grassland. If the rainfall is increasing, then grassland is also increasing. That's those animals who it's the grassland also increasing, like sheep, deer, goats. It is all these are increasing animals. So they are moved from one place to another place. Then the movement of human beings is also possible. This period is also called a transitional phase. Why it is called transitional phase? Because it's lie between the Paleolithic period and Neolithic periods. Here you see that there are deer and some animals are down figure. Tools used in a Mesolithic period, that is the arrowheads. The arrowheads means dhanush. In this arrowheads are made up of wood or bones. You can see there's diagram, that is the arrowheads. Famous Mesolithic site, that is the Chota Nagpur area, central India and Madhya Pradesh region, south river of Krishna. Belen Valley is most important site of all these three sites, because all three sites are found here. Paleolithic site is also Mesolithic, and last one is Neolithic. We will discuss on next video. In Mesolithic periods, human beings are practice some form of agriculture. They grow wheat, barley, etc. That are only used for eating purpose, not for store purpose. Bagor and the Bagor that are in Rajasthan, and Adamgarh, MP, that is the famous Mesolithic site. In this site we will found they are domesticated some animals, that is sheep and goats in 6,000 BC. It means that the people live in the partially settled life. They have grow some agriculture, domesticated animals. It means that they lived proper life, that means settled life. We will see in famous Mesolithic site. Here you can see Belen Valley in UP. Here is Bagor. Here is Adamgarh in MP, Bagor in Rajasthan. That we see there. All these three famous Mesolithic sites, but Belen Valley is famous. All three sites are found here. So thanks for today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.